What's up guys, it's Koi from Gentleman Within, a channel dedicated to helping men dress better and feel their best. And in this video, I got a fun one. It's a little unboxing of a collaboration between Game of Thrones, one of my favorite shows right now, and Adidas UltraBoost. They put together 6 awesome pairs in themed kingdoms of Game of Thrones. And so I'm here to unbox one, but not only one, but 2 pairs from the collection. And so let's get started. So we got Game of Thrones Adidas on the front there. Let's see which pair this one is first. Oh, and we got the pair that I was looking forward to the most. And it is the White Walker edition. All right, and this is my very first pair of Adidas UltraBoost. I've had my eye on this shoe for a very long time now. I'm in love with the silhouette. I think it's a really sleek looking shoe, and it's a runner, so it's for guys who just love to run. I've heard that people say it's more of a lifestyle shoe rather than a running shoe. I'm liking the lightweight nature of the shoe, super lightweight, got the size 8. Initial impressions, it's got that sleek Adidas UltraBoost silhouette, of course, and there are some Game of Thrones details here. So the upper is a knitted upper, and it's the prime knit mesh, and so it's really stretchy. It's kind of like sock-like. It just feels like you're rocking socks, so it's probably really comfortable. Can't wait to get these on my feet. It's got that Continental rubber outsole here, and then the Boost midsole, which is supposed to be ultra comfortable for running. And then we've got some detailing here. So we've got winter is here on this little tag here in the back. I really like the construction of the shoe. It's got the caged construction, and so it's got the Adidas stripes. And I thought that the caged construction gives it more structure, and it just looks a lot better than the naked shoe without the ribbed caging here. Okay, so I can actually remove this little footbed here, and it is Game of Thrones themed, of course. UltraBoost on the bottom. Overall, I like this one, the White Walker edition. I just felt like it was one of the more unique colorways in this collection. There were 2 other colorways that stood out to me, which was House Targaryen and House Lannister. The other ones were just like standard white and black. I really like this one. I think I might be holding on to this. The shoe runs for $180, which is standard price for the Adidas UltraBoost on the website. Let's take a look at this next one, actually. And this one, can you guess what it is? It's not House Stark. House Stark is actually all black. This one is the Night's Watch, Jon Snow's original home. But yeah, I'm liking this too. The contrast on the black and white, and then it's got a textured kind of like black and white, kind of like snow. And this pair right here is also really sleek looking, really nice. There's details here on the tips of the laces. Take the black, and then for the White Walker edition, it says White Walkers. But yeah, the UltraBoost was a shoe that's been on my radar for a really long time now, and I've always wondered how I could style it as well. I think it's more, I view it more as like a lifestyle shoe. I would wear these with more casual outfits and more athleisure type aesthetic, but I really did like this kind of baby blue, colorway here, and it's just really stand out. And there are a couple of Game of Thrones details which I think are really cool. So overall, it was a really unique collaboration, and the shoes, they sold out pretty quickly. Well, the White Walker pair and I believe Targaryen, they sold out really fast, and then a couple like the Night's Watch and House Stark are still in stock over on Adidas's website and on other sites like Finish Line and other places where they do these sneaker drops. But I was up early to cop these, and they probably sold out within 1 or 2 hours. And now these guys are reselling for like over 200 on eBay. So I guess I'm a hype beaster these days, I don't know. So I'm just gonna lace them up and show how they look on feet, and just feel how comfortable they are as well. So the kicks are ultra comfortable, of course. Definitely liking that Boost cushion for sure. I can tell that these would be pretty great running sneakers. And the shoes run a little bit narrow. My feet aren't all that wide, but I say if you have like wider feet, it might be a problem. But the knit upper really does help. There's a lot of stretch to it, so. I think it looks pretty dope. What do you guys think? Yeah, I'm really liking how the shoes look and how they feel on my feet. I think I'm gonna hold on to the White Walker edition. $180 is a lot of money. It's the most I've probably spent on a pair of sneakers in a very long time. And so I've got two here. I don't know, this will probably be shipping back. There's no point in having two pairs. But as a big fan of Game of Thrones and the show's coming out soon, super stoked for that. But I've been in the market for a pair of UltraBoost for a really long time. So when I saw this collaboration, I was like, it's pretty dope. And I might have to pick one of these up. Not bad of a collaboration, guys. But yep, that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. Put out new videos like this weekly. That's all I got for this video. Cheers to your style, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace!